I have to admit, I'm a huge fan of super smooth gimbal footage. While handheld shots are popular, I just love getting that ultra stable professional look. I have been looking for something to up my game for sports filming, and the Xbot Go AI Gimbal promises to be that solution. But can it really replace a cameraman? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing and testing the Xbot Go, an AI-powered tracking gimbal that could be a game changer for filming sports. With this, your camera can automatically track players in sports like football, baseball, and even hockey. Not even sports, it can even track a subject just like the normal gimbal. So let's dive into it. Alright. Starting with the box, super clean and well organized. Inside you will see a quick start guide on the inner sleeve, which is handy. You also get a charging cable, a wrist strap, a sturdy little remote, all packed nicely. This remote will let us control the camera when it's placed high on the tripod. A great feature for getting stable shot from a distance. And here is the gimbal itself. It's compact and lightweight, with a USB-C port for charging and an interface that includes a power button, mode button, joystick, and even a zoom control. Super handy if you are switching between close-up and wide shot. Let's set it up. It's easy to unfold and has a little notch to help locate and place securely. Now placing the phone here, just press and hold the power button. There we go. Talking about the Xbot Go app. This app loaded with features including different sports mode for football, baseball, and more. It even has FollowMe mode for personal tracking. Time to test it out. I have got it in follow mode. I will try to keep up with me as I move around. This is impressive. The AI tracking follows me quite well. It's a bit slower for quick movements, but for general tracking, it does a great job. Now let's check out the sports tracking mode. This gimbal can automatically detect and follow players in football, baseball, tennis, and few other sports. I will set up for football here. With FollowMe 2.0 technology, it can recognize player by body shape, jersey color, and even their numbers. That means it should be able to follow players during a game without missing the action. The Xbot Go app is another strong point. Not only you can track players live, but you can also live stream the game, edit clips directly on the app, and save everything with no monthly fees. Each user get 20 GB of free cloud storage, so you're ready to go right out of the box. After trying it out, I think the Xbot Go has a massive potential. It's not perfect with quick movements, but it does give you that extra hand to film a game or practice session with stable footage. Perfect for parents, coaches, or anyone needing a sports cameraman without the extra cost. So, could this be the future of sports filming? Drop a comment below. Let me know if you use it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. As always, I catch you in the next one.